I just need to get out of here. She can only M1. Oh my god, Tabby, you're adorable. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Why on the other account? Do I mean to be rude, but what does this do? It's basically you get access to emotes, ad-free viewing, although I have my ads turned off at the moment. Yeah, it's basically just to support the streamer. Oh! No one saw that. Yeah, you get all the emotes. I do need to turn my ads back on. I won't lie. I should turn them back on. I should do it. Yeah, you get double channel points, so they accumulate way faster. I was also thinking of doing like a sub-only. Oh, bestie. A sub-only Discord. She probably will, but I appreciate you still wasting time.
Ah, damn. I was hoping I could flashbang her.
That's only my first hook. What the hell? Yeah, I was thinking of making a sub-only Discord channel or something, or like sub-only game nights or something. I don't know. Do you guys have any ideas? Okay, that frappe was so fucking good. Thank you, Joel. Oh, the screams I do it for you from now on. Tabby, you have made yourself a bestie. What a cutie, bro. I'm so happy for you. Maybe if my time is like 60% right now, but she's left. Thank you. Okay, you're so welcome. You're so welcome. That was hot. No, I tried to plot twist. Oh, she's not happy with me for that one. She's not happy. She's not bloody happy. I can take the hook though. It's fine. Die, bestie. She has got a hatchet, okay? Oh my god, that was so worth it. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god, this Claude is so hot. Oh fuck. Oh no. We're both around. We're both here. Run. Be blinded. Did it work? Oh, she went for... There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. Claude and I are fucking cracked. Oh my god. Coming through, sorry. I think she has a hatchet, guys. Huge! Oh my god, it was, wasn't it? Oh my god, sorry, crit. Sorry, crit. Oh, that gen is close. There's another one in here, though, that we could do.
Don't know if I got this off. Ah, damn.
Don't die for it. Don't die for it. Don't die for it.
Didn't trigger.
It's okay. It's okay. Crit can take the hook. Just don't die for it. Do you know where the locker room is? I think they're lockers. Yeah, they're lockers, aren't they? Stream delay. Yes, I'm so sorry. I brought her to your gen. Kind of. I'm so sorry. I hear you. Hi.
Shit. Oh.
No, don't die. No!
Yeah.
Where are you?
Just outside.
Oh wait, I can't go in there because she has Iron Maiden, doesn't she?
Yeah.
Guys, is it just me? Or do you guys also love sweaty endgames like this? Like, I love this. Wait, we have so much gen progress, it's not even funny. Oh, we've so got this. I'm scared she's gonna come and dome one of us. I'm getting a flashbang, I don't care. Risk it for the biscuit. Oh, hi. Come.
There's a gen in that room to your left.
Oh, we're good. We've done the gens. We just need to get the gate.
Have you?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Do we go for main gate or back gate? I don't know.
She has a clearer shot at main gate than she does at back gate.
True, but I think crit's gone for back. Look, I'm happy to just take it.
There it is.
I just have to dodge a hatchet.
Sorry, got a pallet that you can use. One down in front of you there.
I reckon I W key it for a bit because she needs to get closer so she doesn't waste her hatchet. I just need to delay enough time. But I actually am. Oh shit. Okay, she's used it. It's fine. Oh, she was blind, so she missed. She doesn't have a hatchet. I can get out here. Where's the gate, though? I actually don't know where the gate is. Is it this way?
I think the door was on the other side.
Oh, maybe they're... Are they at main yet?
Back into main area. And then she went to the other gate.
Oh, no, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I think they were leaving, so I'd get hatch. But I'm good. GG's, guys. That was bloody good. Oh my gosh. You love my Jane outfit? Thank you. I got it today and I love it so much. And I also got the Christmas charms and I can't shut up about it, but I just love it so much. Oh my god, I love it so much. What an amazing game, guys. Like, so good. That was so satisfying. Oh god. So right, so what did we have? We had Darkness Revealed, Iron Maiden, Nowhere to Hide. Oh shit, Barbecue. You're right. What did Claudie have? Finesse, Botany, Lithe, and Windows. Oh my god. What a great game. You love that. Also, is Jessie streaming it? We should go and... Oh, and I was doing my wheel. Okay, sorry. Guys, question. If I were to do a... If I were to do... What am I doing? If I were to do a spin the wheel for 10,000 channel points, do I just give the option to whoever is spinning, whether they want to choose my killer, my perks, survivor, like, should I just keep it as an option? GG's Huntress! Oh my god, what an amazing game that was. You played so well. You scared the shit out. Actually, you scared me a couple times. I hope you had a great game. I hope you had fun too. You and Claude had cute chemistry. We did have cute chemistry. I love that, Claude. Oh my god, the saves are insane. Insane. Yes, of course, I have a free spot. Yeah. Are you Steam or console? If you're Steam, I've pinned my friend code in the chat if you want to join. Yeah, it was fun. Oh good, I'm glad. Good luck next. Hopefully we run into you again. That was really fun.